Hello everyone, this is an American English Academy video. Today we're going to be looking at demonstrative adjectives. I'm Kenneth Varela, and remember that you could always find us at our webpage, YouTube channel, and Facebook. Demonstrative adjectives. What do? Basically, they finger point at specific things. The demonstrative adjectives are this, that, these, and those. There are only 4. And they always answer the question which one or which ones. We're going to see in the following slides how that happens. First of all, we're going to be taking a look at this or that. They are used with singular nouns, and these and those are used with plural nouns. So we take a look at this and that. They always answer the question which one. So you say, this boy is my friend. Then you can ask which one. You say, this one. I want this boy in my team. Which one? This one. That soccer ball belongs to me. As you can see, we have 6 soccer balls. So you can ask the question, which one? The answer could be that one. I bought that ball yesterday. Which one? That one would be the answer. Now we take a look at these and those. They are used, as we mentioned before, along with plural nouns. And they answer the question, which ones? Notice that the question now is plural. These people are working. Which ones? These ones. They are working on these problems. Which ones? These ones. These and those. Those books are on the couch. So the question is, which ones? You can answer those ones. The boys use those books to help them. But which ones? Those ones. Just remember that this is used for singular nouns when they are in your hand. That is used with singular nouns when they are not in the reach of your hand. They are away from you. These is for plural nouns when they are in your hand. And those is for plural nouns when they are not in your hand. They are a distance apart from you. Thank you for watching another American English Academy video, and I hope to see you back again.